Welcome to Intiutama Karya Sukses.
Intiutama Karya Sukses is proud to be specialized in crafting premium quality briquettes that cater to international markets, serving diverse applications such as hookah and barbecue. Experience the pure, long-lasting burn of premium coconut charcoal briquettes, perfect for the smoothest hookah sessions. With a production capacity of 20 containers per month, we supply top-quality charcoal worldwide, meeting the demands of hookah lovers everywhere. From Russia to America, Turkey to Japan, our briquettes are trusted in top markets for their clean burn, low ash, and superior heat. Upgrade your hookah experience with 100% natural coconut charcoal, shipped globally. Contact us today.